Are you tired of your 9 to 5 grind and looking to make extra income without breaking the bank? Today, we'll explore the best online side hustles that you can start with little to no upfront cost. These ideas are perfect for beginners and seasoned pros alike. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like. Thank you very much indeed. Well, let's get into it. Let's start with tip number 1, freelance writing. Freelance writing is an excellent way to earn money online without any initial investment. Platforms like Upwork.com and Fiverr.com and Freelancer allow you to offer your writing services to a global audience. Whether you're writing blog posts, website content, or product descriptions, there's always a demand for highly skilled writers. I recommend that you start by creating a very strong portfolio showcasing your best work. Even if you're new to writing, you can create a sample piece on topics that you are passionate about. Now, once you have a few samples, you can begin bidding on projects and gradually build up your reputation and client base. Now remember, quality and consistency are the key to attracting and retaining clients over time. Let's now move on to tip number 2, dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular side hustle that requires minimal upfront costs. Now with dropshipping, you sell products directly from suppliers without holding any inventory at all. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo make it very easy to set up an online store and connect with many suppliers. I recommend that you begin by selecting a niche market and researching trending products. For example, if you choose fitness gear, I suggest that you focus on items like resistant bands, yoga mats, or portable workout equipment. You can use social media and content marketing to drive traffic to your online web store. The key to success in dropshipping is finding reliable suppliers and optimizing your marketing strategies to reach your ideal target audience. Let's now move on to side hustle number 3, which is print on demand. Print on demand, or POD, allows you to create and sell custom designed products without any inventory costs. Websites like Teespring, Redbubble and Printful let you design and sell items like t-shirts, mugs and phone cases. You only pay for the product when you make a sale. I recommend that you create unique, eye-catching designs that appeal to specific audiences. For example, if you're targeting pet lovers, you can design products with cute or funny pet-related graphics. I also suggest that you use social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your designs and attract potential customers. POD is a great way to turn your creativity into a very profitable online side hustle. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is online tutoring. If you have expertise or very good knowledge in a particular subject or on a specific topic, online tutoring can be a very lucrative online side hustle. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, Tutor.com and VIP Kid all allow you to teach students from all around the globe. Whether it's academic subjects, languages or even test preparation. Today there's a very high demand for online tutors. I recommend, to help you get started, that you create a profile which highlights your qualifications and your given experience. I also suggest that you offer a few free sessions to gather testimonials and build some credibility. For example, if you consider yourself a math whiz, offer tutoring sessions for high school algebra or even SATs preparation. Consistent positive feedback and word of mouth recommendations will help you to massively grow your tutoring online business. Let's now move on to side hustle number 5, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale which is made through your unique referral link. I recommend that you join different affiliate programs from companies such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank or Share a Sale to start earning online. You can then promote these products or services through a blog, YouTube channel, or even on social media with TikTok, Instagram, and other social networks. I suggest that you focus on products that align with your interests and your area of expertise. For instance, if you have a passion for technology, you can review and recommend gadgets and software. I recommend that you create highly valuable content that helps your audience make informed purchasing decisions. The key to more success in affiliate marketing is to build trust with your audience and provide honest, useful recommendations to help them. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is a virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant or a VA is a flexible and profitable side hustle. VAs offer admin, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. Tasks can range from managing emails and scheduling appointments to social media management and even content creation. Websites like remote.co, Belay and Time, etc. are great places to find VA opportunities online. I recommend that you identify your skills and create a service package that highlights exactly what you offer. For example, if you're skilled in social media management, I recommend that you focus on helping small businesses grow their online presence. You can start by working with a few clients to build up your experience and to build up your portfolio. As you gain more clients, you can increase your rates and then go on to expand your services. Let me now give you side hustle number 7, which is social media management. If you're savvy with social media, you can offer your skills to small businesses that need help managing their online presence. Social media managers create content, schedule posts, and engage with followers on behalf of different businesses. This can be done entirely from home and requires no upfront investment. I recommend that you start by managing the social media accounts of a local business or of a friend. As you build a portfolio, you can then approach larger clients or use platforms like Upwork.com to find more interesting opportunities. Tailoring your services to the unique voice and goals of each client can also help you to stand out in this growing field. Let's now move on to side hustle number 8, which is podcasting. Podcasting is a great way to share your knowledge and connect with an audience online. With platforms like Anchor, starting a podcast has never been easier or cheaper. You can monetize your podcast through sponsorships, donations, or by selling your own products and services. I recommend that you get started by choosing a niche topic that you're passionate about and that has a dedicated audience. I then recommend that you plan and record your episodes and publish them on podcast platforms like Spotify and Apple Podcasts. Consistency is the key, so release new episodes regularly to build a loyal following. Engaging with your listeners and inviting guests can also boost your podcast's popularity. Whether you're looking to make a bit of extra cash or build a fully fledged online business, these opportunities are perfect for getting started. Now, the next thing to do, click the link in the description box below this video and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com to explore our comprehensive online courses and resources. They're perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business and will help you generate an income online. So take action and click the link below now to learn more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I can only help you if you are subscribed. Give the video a thumbs up because that really does motivate me to create more great content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I've put my LinkedIn link in the description box below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.